Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Trump media soars on Nasdaq debut. GOP stands against cannabis banking bill. UPS financial targets stir market reaction. Dark and Delicious outperforms Nvidia and Bitcoin. Enbridge forges new gas supply JV in U.S. Gulf Coast. SK Hynix's $4 billion chip packing facility plan in Indiana boosts Nvidia partnership, and AI demand-supply mismatch underestimated by the market. Stay tuned after this short ad break to delve deeper into these headlines. Trump Media and Technology Group's shares experienced a 16% surge on their Nasdaq debut. This followed the successful completion of a business merger with the special purpose acquisition company known as Digital World Acquisition. As a result of this deal, Digital World stock has seen an impressive rise of 231% within this year. The CEO, Devin Nunes, is set to challenge big tech censorship while the company continues under its current management.
The committee of the House Republican Party is against reforming marijuana banking. They point to a rise in violent crime in states where marijuana is legal and the possibility of misuse as their reasons. They also believe that cannabis has a detrimental effect on the workforce. However, despite these arguments, there has been a recent surge in cannabis stocks. This comes after Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer expressed his support for the Safer Banking Act.
The United Parcel Service, also known as UPS, has projected its revenue for the year 2026 to be somewhere between $108 billion and $114 billion. This projection is based on the expected growth of the small package industry. However, despite these promising forecasts, the company's shares have experienced a drop of 7.6%. In response to this, UPS intends to enhance productivity and efficiency while simultaneously cutting down on costs. The company also anticipates an increase in operating margins across various sectors. Furthermore, it predicts a free cash flow ranging from $17 billion to $18 billion by 2026.
The price of cocoa futures has skyrocketed beyond $9,000 for each ton as a result of supply shortages. This increase has outstripped well-known investments such as Nvidia and Bitcoin. Factors contributing to this situation include severe weather conditions and crop diseases in Ghana and Ivory Coast, which are accountable for 70% of the world's cocoa production. These issues have significantly affected their output. The forthcoming deforestation regulation from the European Union could potentially exacerbate this limitation on production further. As a consequence, we might witness a decrease in spending on chocolates during the upcoming Easter season due to manufacturers transferring these rising costs onto consumers.
Enbridge has established a collaborative project with Whitewater, Squared Capital and MPLX. The aim is to construct and manage natural gas pipeline and storage facilities. This venture will link supplies from the Permian Basin to the increasing demand for liquefied natural gas on the U.S. Gulf Coast. Ownership stakes are divided as follows: Enbridge at 19%, Whitewater, Squared at 50.6%, and MPLX at 30.4%. The agreement is anticipated to pave the way for future growth opportunities in sustainable natural gas production.
Nvidia's collaborator, the South Korean company SK Hynix, has intentions to pour $4 billion into a new state-of-the-art chip packaging facility in Indiana. This investment could potentially generate up to 1,000 employment opportunities. The facility is projected to be fully operational by the year 2028 and is anticipated to benefit from both state and federal tax incentives. This strategic move is made as SK Hynix holds a commanding position in the high-bandwidth memory market during an ongoing AI surge.
Morgan Stanley analyst, KDL Huberty, emphasizes the market's lack of recognition for the escalating power requirements due to artificial intelligence and sluggish growth in power supply. Despite the rapidly decreasing cost of AI computational power, there exists a substantial disparity with the slow-paced expansion of our power grid infrastructure. Firms such as AES Corporation, Bloom Energy, and Constellation Energy are strategically placed to cater to this rising demand.
The wealth of Donald Trump may have seen an increase of approximately $4.6 billion after the successful market launch of his social media company named Trump Media and Technology. Holding close to a 60% stake in the business, the former president of the United States is its primary shareholder. The main product offered by this company is Truth Social, which has attracted roughly 8.9 million registrations to date.
And that's a wrap on the Daily Business and Finance Show. Keep investing in your knowledge, folks. Until next time, stay informed and stay prosperous. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow dawns, take care and goodbye for now.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.